Welcome to MunroMotors.com. Here we have a 2013 Audi Q5. This is the premium S-Line with all the stuff. Panoramic roof, everything. Have a look in the back here. Lots of room for storage. Underneath here, there's a little bit of space as well. There's more under there if you want to hide things. And then the wheel locks are with it. It's got the drop-down seats are here so that you can just fold your seats down right away, right from there. You've got the center seat that can fold down and become a ski boot, ski opportunity there. And then you've got your power tailgate button right there, so that closes nicely. This one's equipped with a trailer hitch, looking brand new, hardly ever used, I can imagine. It's got the dual exhaust out the back, rear window wiper washer, and a built-in spoiler. On the left rear wheel here, just outstanding. No issues, no curb rash, nothing to worry about. It's got painted rotors, painted calipers, Michelin tires, and have a look inside the back seat here, of course. You've got reclining seats, a fold-down armrest, and rear heated seats with their own air conditioning right in the back. Map pockets built into the seats, the ginormous panoramic sunroof, and S-Line all over. So beautiful. Nice, tidy car. On the passenger seat, you've got a multifunction 12-way power seat, power bolsters, power side. It's got the front extender for the seat as well. And have a look in the door frames there. Beautiful, clean, tidy. Under the glove box here, we've got the books with the vehicle and a plug-in so that you can plug your phone in directly into the radio. So super looking vehicle, cup holders in the door, awesome. Have a look up here on the front wheel, awesome condition, no curb rash, no delaminating, just looking beautiful. Michelin tires, painted rotors, painted calipers. Under the hood, 3-liter V6 turbocharged engine with 237 horsepower, but propels 0 to 60 in about 6 seconds, so that's pretty fast. Air conditioning works, everything's awesome, nice and clean and tidy. Let's close the hood. There are a few stone chips on the hood there that you can see. That's pretty obvious. A little bit of delaminating paint on the front bumper there, but nothing to worry about for the kilometers. It's a really nice vehicle. Front wheel in great condition. Tires are awesome on Michelin tires there. And then the back wheel over here, same condition, painted rotors, painted calipers, looking fabulous. In the back there, lots of room again with that reclining seat and the nice panoramic sunroof. Up here, you've got memory seat, power windows, power locks, power mirrors, heated mirrors, power folding mirrors, and your power tailgate button down there. And again, a cup holder right there. The seat is again the 12-way power seat with the multifunction adjustment on the front for your leg support, and it's got the flat bottom S-Line steering wheel. So let's climb in and we'll fire this one up. 122, 261 kilometers. It's navigation. It's equipped with automatic air conditioning, heated seats there. It's got paddle shifters as well as a slap shift on the gear shift, and full navigation and opportunity to override all from here or touch screen up there. And then you've got the armrest here, which has an adjustment so that you can have it whatever height you'd like it at. On the steering wheel, then you've got your steering wheel controls for your radio and your navigation and mode, etc. over there. There's your cruise control down there, automatic lights with fog lights front and rear, and blind side information system that operates right there so that you're warned of any oncoming traffic into your lane in your blind spot. Up here is the power sunroof and power blind, and it's all working and awesome. Fabulous. Have a look in the door frame there, just a beauty. So this car is equipped with Audi CPO warranty until 2019. So no issues, no worries, everything's covered. What a fabulous looking car. The paint is just in great condition there. There's no dents or scratches that we can see there. Trailer hitch on the back, like I said before, that's a great opportunity for summer coming up. And here we go. So there you have it, folks. That's the 2013 Audi Q5 S-Line Premium Panoramic Roof Navigation, all-wheel drive, of course, 3-liter, 6-cylinder turbocharged engine. So it's here and available at MunroMotors.com. Hey, come on down and have a look at this one for yourself. I look forward to seeing you real soon.